Hi friends. Hi friends. I had to remove this lock. This is a cylindrical knob, and the problem with this was the key wasn't working. So I purchased a new one. So the same cylindrical knob. Nowadays these are quite less to get, but since it is the old model part of it, so from the Europa brand I have purchased it. What I have done is from the non-locking knob, this is a locking knob. This is non-locking knob. So you can see a small hole here. I put a small screwdriver and turned it, so I was able to get the knob out. So this is the knob that I was able to remove. Now inside, what I'm doing is, if you can see, there are two screws. I'm trying to remove the screws and then untighten it. So at the sides of it also I have removed the screw. So you can see that almost the screws are loosened up, and once I remove this I can remove this side panel. So I'm repairing this part of it and replacing it with a new cylindrical doorknob. I have now removed the doorknob, the old doorknob. So the non-lock side I removed it, and this is the lock side. So you can see the center of it, two long screws were there. Still I was able to remove it. I couldn't remove that. So I have removed the ring and the side panel also. So this is the old one. Now I'll be going for the fitting of new one. So these are the components of the new one. First I'm going to fix the side part of it. Then the non-lock component I am going to add up. This is the lock component which I'll be using it up. So these side frames or the uh, washers will be fixed to the door. You can see that I'm fixing the side part of it first, and then I'll be fixing the non-lock part and lock part. I have tightened up the screws, so you can see at the panels, so through which I have to fix two screws and a center part of it. Now I have fixed the non-key panel, and you can see that the two screws I have just put it into the slot of this central part of it, and you can see that these screws are protruding out. Now we'll be fixing the other side too, and the central part of it will be fixing. Now I have fixed the both the knobs. You can see that it is operating. So the position has to be kept proper. It took me some time, since even I am doing it for the first time, the fixation of this doorknob. Now it's working at both the end. So I'll be inserting the non-lock end and finalizing it. So finally I have fixed the knobs. You can see that it works and I can lock it also. So that is one aspect. And the keys, so you can see that so keys are also working. It is locked now. I have to unlock so I can just move it. So with this, the successful completion of the knob fixation has been done.